What do you do on self-care days? Well, so as much as I would love to keep braids for a long period of time, my edges tend to give me away because they're practically non-existent. So out with the old, if you ask me, I want to make the same exact hairstyle as new. But that would mean buying attachment. And the cost of one attachment now used to be the exact cost for three. Anyways, it's not me they are doing. I want to wash my hair. I feel like I have dandruff underneath my scalp and my hair has been itching me for a while. So I want to do some sort of deep washing and I'm going to be doing that myself. See me feeling like one Rapunzel. See, the Lulu is the Solulu. Anyways, see, I feel like natural hair is beautiful, but there's an exception with, girls that have edges, that their edges are so existent. It's almost at their eyebrows. They're just God's favorite. Let me know if you feel that same exact way. So I use Mega Growth for my hair, obviously, and if you know me, I am not exactly that loyal customer. Like, I am not loyal to any product, but you see Mega Growth, especially the conditioner, it just does it for me. And to think that I used to be that girl that would never let water drip on her face, while washing her hair. Like, it's as if you're trying to choke life out of me. How is this me now? How? But let's just take a moment to watch how this hair slips back. Like, thanks to Relaxer, by the way. For my natural hair girlies that are keeping their hair natural, you guys are the real MVPs. Because I tried and I couldn't keep up. So my hair is dried now and daddy is around at this moment. And of course, doing daddy duties while mommy heads to the salon. Anyway, so we are here now and it's time to make my hair. And I'm just doing cornrows. Yes, I'm doing all back. My signature all back for the days ahead. It's my first time in this salon. Remember what I say about loyalty? I'm not loyal like that. I can always change. Anyways, the major reason why I decided to come here was because I wanted to do pedicure. Yeah, is it called pedicure or manicure? Yeah, pedicure. Yeah, so I wanted to do pedicure for my legs, like my heels. Is it heels? Why does words fail me today? My heels are cracking up and I wanted the whole pedicure treatment and she came highly recommended. So hence why I am here and she did a really great job. Cornrows done and ready to accommodate any wiggables or capables. Let me give you guys a backstory before I go on with what is happening here. Because you'll be like, are you a new mom? Why are you still feeding by this time? Because it's pretty late, or should I say it's actually very early hours of the morning here. This was at about 2 a.m. But let's go back to the gist. So while I was at the salon here, you see one thing about salon gist. Salon gist motivated me for the very first time. So I was with this lady that I had just met for the first time, and one thing led to another. We're talking about, motherhood. No, the lady that owns the salon knows I have a baby, and she was like, oh, where did I keep baby? Why didn't I bring baby along with me? And I was like, he should be with his father. He's with the father. And let me rest. Let me rest and just do my thing in peace. And then the lady went to say, how old is my baby? So I said he's 1 year and 4 months. So he was like, that one is a grown baby and he doesn't need baby in around and whatnot. I'm like, I know, right? Then she proceeds to ask me if he was still breastfeeding. And I said, yes, actively breastfeeding. And then she was like, wow, I have tried, which I have, baby, which I have. And then, she went on to say that she has 5 kids and she has weaned them already. And she weaned them about 11 months. I think they're a little grown now. I think they're more than toddlers. She weaned them at 11 months. I was like, my baby is 1 year and 4 months. Mind you, this is not the first time, I'm being talked into weaning my baby. But I don't know why hers just felt different. I really don't know. And you know how advice from strangers, people who don't exactly know you, it's like that talks more than maybe family members, because I think I've had that conversation severally with my sister-in-law. I've had that conversation with my mother-in-law about weaning him, and I've just been dragging my leg. But tell me how just that one conversation made a whole difference. And I decided that, see, no more sucking at night. And this was what was happening here. And it was a big change. I just felt like a whole new mom, waking up to feed baby. Ugh. Anyways, how did that go? How is that going? It is not going so well, I promise you. It is not going so well. The first 2 days was, it was quite good. It was quite good. But 2 days later, hey, serious boobs engorgement. One, hey, little to no interest in food from my baby's end. What else? He has been feverish, we've been on malaria treatment. It's just giving withdrawal symptoms. And the Lord has been your girl's strength. His daddy has not slept. I have not slept in a few days properly. I just can't wait for this phase to pass. In fact, I woke up pretty early today and I wasn't just feeling the need to do anything. I just felt like laying in bed all day is not going to help matters. I'm just going to be feeling, sick myself. I don't know if this happens to just me. If I want to get out of that whole lazy girl, lay in bed all day, I cannot kill myself moments. I just get busy and just try to see what I can do. Even if, I do it at a very slow pace. I usually just see it as better than doing nothing. Laundry out of the way now. What else do I have planned for today? Yes, I also want to make soup. We're eating okra soup and semovita for lunch. So I'll be making that as well. And I'll be getting my ingredients from scratch. Yeah. Ingredients from my farm. Check that. Wait. So I've been talking for how many minutes now? You know what? Let's just enjoy the rest of the vlog. Music. Trust me, this camera is not doing justice to how this soup looks, and it tastes even better. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me. Please do not forget to like this video, share, subscribe, do all that good stuff for this particular video, and I'll see you all in my next one. Bye.